Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Megan van der Zwan and I am a South African person. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Megan van der Zwan and this channel is going to have a lot of eyeshadow looks and a lot of videos with my dogs. I'm going to begin my channel off with a series of eyeshadow looks. So what I'll be doing is I'll have 3 looks per palette and each look will be on a different video. So if you'd like to watch which looks I create and creations I come up with and colours that I play around with, keep on watching and please subscribe, and I will see you in the makeup tutorial or eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, so we're going to start the natural look of the series using the chocolate bar palette. So I'm going to begin off with white chocolate just to set the crease. Then I'm going to go into milk chocolate and semi-sweet, and I'm going to mix the two for my transition shade. I'm just buffing that in all over. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Cherry Cordial on a smaller brush. I will link all the brushes down below that I use. Smaller shading brush by Real Techniques. And the first brush that I used was Essence, the blending brush. It's like super cheap, it's like 30 rand. I'm like, I can't believe it's 30 rand and it's like so good. I think I'm gonna buy a backup of it. Okay, so anyway, tangent. Let's go into Cherry Cordial. And I'm just gonna start blending that near the lash line. And up in a sort of V shape. Then I want to focus the colour on the outer portion of the eye. So sort of take it up and then use the brush, it's slightly tapered on the sides, to just sort of blend it up and out. So now that I'm happy with the outer corner, I'm just going to take the same fluffy brush and I'm going to go into Strawberry Bonbon just to add a little bit of girliness or pinkishness to the look. I'm going to add it just to the top and sort of use that as my blending shade. And now we're going to take Creme Brulee and we're going to use our finger and put it all over the lid. I'm sort of bringing it up a bit to meet the transition shade. Then I'm just going to take my fluffy brush again and make sure it's a bit diffused at the top. Then we're going to take Champagne Truffle on our pinky, and pop it in the middle, in the inner corner. And I'm going to sort of take it up and try and blend it a bit into the creme brulee colour. Now to begin the lower lash line, I'm going to take the same mixture. I'm going to take semi-sweet and milk chocolate and mixing them together. I'm going to take a little bit of strawberry bonbon and blend it through. So on the outer edge of the lower lash line, we're going to take Cherry Cordial again on the small brush and just sort of blend it into the upper lash line. And also create some more definition there. I'm just going to add a bit more Cherry Cordial going up. So I feel like I could have brought it up a bit more. And I'm going to take my larger brush and just blend a bit more. Before I forget, I'm just going to take a flat shading brush and I'm going to add, I'm going to add Champagne Truffle onto my brow bone. And since I have quite hooded eyes, I don't want to bring it too low because otherwise it will emphasize my hood. So on the lower lash line, I'm just going to bring in some of the Champagne Truffle just to mix it in to the transition shades. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera and put on some eyeliner and mascara, and I will see you now. You're going to do the outro with me. So that completes this natural look. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, stay tuned for my next videos where I'll have a series of these eyeshadow looks. And we have 2 more to do of the chocolate palette, and then we'll get into our next palette. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Okay.
So now to begin. No. Baby. Baby. This is my doggy baby. She's really heavy. Oh. Okay, so today I bring you my doggy, and now my dogs are the rest of them. Bye. Guys, out. I'm gonna do a series of eyeshadow palettes to my channel. Balloon. Yeah. Oh. Gotta get this right, baby. Hey? Now you're falling asleep.
This is the move for those who